security, which was issued December 26, which was yesterday in American time, and 27 this morning sa atin dito sa Pilipinas. Wala po ako nakikita ang sinasabi na we did not pass the assessment. All they said was in coordination with the Department of State and the Department of Transportation, PSA representative have been working with the Philippine government to assist and transportation authorities in bringing Manila up to international security standards. We will continue to work with the Philippines and assist in aviation authorities to correcting the deficiencies at the airport. Hindi ko sinabi na fail po tayo. Ang sinabi lang nito na hindi tayo constant, hindi ko tayo ang consistency and sustainability at times hindi ko tayo comply.